Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today I'm back here with breaking news regarding the Dji Mavic 3. We have some fresh news that just came. We have all of the information for you guys here today. But if you guys want to get the opportunity of winning a free Dji Mavic Air 2, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. If we're able to get to 1,000 subscribers for September 1st, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So guys, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. It's free, so make sure you guys join the Drone in Motion family for the opportunity of winning a free Mavic Air 2. No other channels doing this, so make sure you guys subscribe. But before we get started with today's video, I want to give a huge thanks to today's video sponsor, Heredia Consulting Firm. So if you guys have any problems regarding taxes, bookkeeping, payroll, financials, or any kind of business advice, these guys got you covered. They've been doing this for over 20 years, so these guys know what they're doing. Right here on the screen, guys, is a picture of Heredia Consulting Firm. So their link is going to be down below if you guys need any help regarding any kind of those issues. So let's dive right into today's news, guys. Coming from Heredia LB, we have some Dji Mavic 3 new leaks. They're just fresh out of the oven. Today they're coming from a pretty reliable source. So let's dive right into it, guys. So today we have some news from Heredia LB regarding the Dji Mavic 3. We have some exciting news and some not so exciting. So let's get started with the not so exciting news, guys. So his first tweet said the following: in DJI Fly app B1.1.6, we may found some clue about the next generation Mavic series. When disconnected, we can see 4 voltage indicators in this page. It means Mavic 3 could be compatible with DJI Fly instead of DJI Go 4. So this is pretty exciting news, guys. So I'm gonna leave you right here on the screen, guys, the picture that Heredia LB posted from the DJI Fly app, which is in Chinese. Unfortunately, we don't know Chinese, but for those of you guys that might know, right here on the screen. So that is the picture that he posted. But what's pretty important here is the following, guys. So it's pretty probable that the new Dji Mavic 3 is going to be using the new DJI Fly app. So what is the DJI Fly app? So for those of you guys that don't know what the DJI Fly app is the following. So in the beginning we had the DJI Go 4 app, which included the Inspire 1, the Inspire 2, the Spark, the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Air 1, the Phantom 4. So, but in November of this year, everything changed with the introduction of the DJI Mavic Mini. It looks like DJI is going to try and move all of their Mavic lineup onto the DJI Fly app, which is a brandly released app, which is meant to be more simple and easier to understand. So we had the introduction of the Mavic Mini with the DJI Fly app back in November, and then we saw the introduction of the Mavic Air 2, which also uses the DJI Fly app. So according to Heredia LB, it looks like the Dji Mavic 3 it's going to be using the DJI Fly app. So I'm pretty excited for that. It has some really nice features. So that's what we have regarding the DJI Fly app. Now let's move on to the next news regarding the Dji Mavic 3. So it's also pretty fresh news, guys. So this is not so exciting. So in our last video on the Dji Mavic 3, we talked about how the Dji Mavic 3 is not supposed to release on 2020. I know, guys, we covered on this. This was an article coming from Drone Excel, and the reason they said was for political reasons. But Heredia LB didn't mention anything regarding political reasons. I'm going to read you what he had to say. Multiple sources indicated that FPV drone is the last flying thing from DJI in this year. So why is it important? Well, I'm going to tell you why, but let's continue reading his tweet. For ground photography gears, we can see Osmo Mobile 4, probably running S2, Osmo Action, or Osmo Pocket 2. So why is this important, guys? Because of the following reasons. So as you guys know, we've been talking here in the channel about the possibility of DJI releasing an FPV drone or some kind of racing drone or kind of a hybrid drone. So we just posted a video regarding those news on the FPV drone, so make sure you guys check it out. But why is this important? Well, OCLB confirms our theory that the DJI Mavic 3 will not be released this year. So we had the speculation going around from Drone Excel saying that the Mavic 3 won't be released in 2020, and now we have the confirmation coming from OCLB, which is pretty reliable source. In the past he's been really successful, which now confirms that the Mavic 3 will not be released. So that's pretty unfortunate, guys. The Mavic 3 will not be releasing this year, but I'm pretty certain that the Mavic 3 will be releasing. I think January 2021 is going to be the release date for the new DJI Mavic 3. I think it's going to be a completely redesigned drone, and I think this is going to be the most powerful DJI drone to date. So guys, get excited. So that's the information that we have for you guys today regarding the DJI Mavic 3. So some exciting news, some not really exciting news. So that's all we have for you guys today. As soon as any more information comes out, we're going to keep you updated. Thank you for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.